Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear audience. Welcome to today's video. The topic of discussion for today's video is photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Have you ever wondered how plants make food from sunlight and how we use that food to get energy? Today we will unlock the secrets of photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So stay with me. Let's start with photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their food by using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. And this process occurs in the leaves of plants. Plants have special chemical called chlorophyll, and that chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast. Here plants combine sunlight, carbon dioxide and water and make food for themselves and also for all other living organisms. Where does happen the process of photosynthesis? Process of photosynthesis occurs in chloroplast. Chloroplast have special green pigment called chlorophyll. In the chlorophyll, plants combine all the ingredients carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and make food for plants, and that food is called glucose. There are two main stages of this process. Number one is light reaction and number two is dark reaction. In the light reaction, plants use sunlight to make energy, and in dark reaction, the energy stored in light reaction is used by the plants to make glucose. And this cycle is called Calvin cycle. It is complex step-by-step reaction and carbon dioxide is converted into glucose. And the chemical equation for photosynthesis is plants combine carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight in green pigment called chlorophyll. They combine all these things and make glucose and release oxygen. This oxygen is used by all other living things in respiration. Here you can see simple diagram of photosynthesis. The green tree is trapping sunlight from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil, and combining all these things to make glucose, that is the food of plant, and is releasing oxygen, and that oxygen is used in cellular respiration by all other living things. Now come to the second part of the video, that is cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? It is the process by which cell break down glucose. The glucose prepared by the plants is broken down here to release energy, and energy is also called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And the chemical equation for cellular respiration is glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen and release carbon dioxide, water and energy. Energy is used for all purposes of living things, and carbon dioxide is released here, and this carbon dioxide is again used by plants in photosynthesis. Now the question arises, where does happen the process of cellular respiration? The process of respiration occurs in mitochondria. Mitochondria are present in the cell of animals and all living things, and that is called powerhouse of cell. As this process provides energy to the cell, so it is also called powerhouse of cell. There are three main stages of this process. Number one is glycolysis, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. This is also a complex step-by-step process in which human beings and animals release energy for their daily life activities and also release carbon dioxide that is used by plants for photosynthesis. If we compare the both processes, photosynthesis and cellular respiration, we can say that in photosynthesis plants use carbon dioxide and water, and in respiration plants use glucose and oxygen. In photosynthesis plants make glucose and oxygen, while in cellular respiration they produce carbon dioxide and water. In photosynthesis plants store energy, and in cellular respiration animals or the cell of plants during respiration release energy. So we can say that both processes are reverse to each other. The reactant of one process is the product of other process, and the product of respiration is the reactant of photosynthesis. So both processes are interconnected by each other. If we combine the process of respiration and photosynthesis, we can say that both depend on each other. If we start from here, in the chloroplast, green plants take carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and combine in the chloroplast to make glucose and oxygen. This glucose and oxygen is used in the mitochondria by living things to release carbon dioxide and energy. So this process occur in cycle and both processes are interconnected with one another. We can say that no process can continue without the other process. Cellular respiration and photosynthesis both are essential for maintaining the balance of ecosystem. In the end, we can say that photosynthesis store energy in food and cellular respiration release that energy together, and they both processes run the life on earth and maintain the balance. I hope you have understand the main difference between photosynthesis and respiration and their correlation. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz till the next video.